Hi everybody and welcome back. I was getting together with my good friend Dario at Dario's Model Builds on YouTube the other day, and he gifted me some things here. He gave me this extra bottle of paint that he had, Deco Crafts paint, tropical blue. And also a little while back he bought a second-hand 3D printer, and he printed me off this little holder for my Tamiya panel lines, and I printed this little plaque. It's separate. It's just held on with tape at the moment. So I've airbrushed that with some chrome silver and some blue and yellow markers. I just highlighted the writing on there in a little minion, model car minion for my channel. Also, he had written over to Tim Nolen on his channel and requested a couple of shop cards from Tim's channel, so he gave me one of those as well. I picked up an extra one for me, Tim Nolen at Rat Daddy Studios. This is his new card. It's got two-sided, and they're very nice. Thanks to Dario, and thanks to Tim. Check out Tim's channel and Dario's channel for sure. They're excellent builders. This is also my introduction video for the Cartoon and Deformed group build for 2024, hosted by Papa Dan at Hobby Time with Papa Dan and Tommy at Colonel Reb's Scale Models. The group build is on from September 1st to 30th, and this is my kit I'll be building. The Meng World War II's Soviet medium tank, the T-34/76. I'm going to be doing this up in winter camo. I thought just there's so many tanks that are in the olive green that I found some information online that in the winter, these were originally issued in olive green, and in the winter they sort of whitewashed them, you might say, so to camouflage them for the winter. So I'm going to try, I've got some reference pics for that, and I'm going to try doing it up as that. So stay tuned for the build, and thanks for following along.